Hello everyone, this is Gurvinder Kaur and I welcome you to my kitchen called Insecure A Fusion Cafe. This is my baby, I would say. It's a newborn baby. I have inaugurated this cafe on 21st of December 2016 and it's been hardly about say 10-15 days we've been running this cafe. And I'm very excited with this new show coming up for which I'm doing this audition at the moment. And for that I'm going to cook a very interesting recipe of mine called teriyaki chicken wings. I would not say it is very tough, though it's when we call it, it looks quite complicated, but it's not like that. The recipe is very simple and I hope you will love it. Let's start with the ingredients. So all we need is, first of all, the chicken wings. Then we need some corn flour, some ginger garlic paste, some pineapple, but that's optional, some chili flakes, some all-purpose flour, some garlic, salt to taste, some ketchup, soy sauce, that's Szechuan sauce. Then we need sweet chili sauce and a vinegar. Of course, we need an oil for cooking and some eggs as well. So let's start with it. First of all, we need to marinate the chicken. So all we need for that is we need to put about half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, some chili flakes, and a salt to taste. Just make sure the salt should not be too much because you're going to put the salt in the sauce as well. So all we need to do is we need to just mix it up and we need to keep this for about, I would say, 1 to 2 hours, so that chicken should just squeeze out all the flavors and it'll taste good. So let me just keep it aside, and the thing I'm going to use is the chicken wings which I've already marinated 2 hours before. I need a bowl to make a quick batter. So all I need for that is some all-purpose flour, about 2 to 3 spoons. I'm using a small spoon, that's why I'm putting a bit more. About 1 full spoon of corn flour. And I need about 2 eggs. So I'm just quickly going to break the egg. And I need to sprinkle some salt, some seasoning is required in it, so I'm just sprinkling some salt in it and some chili flakes as well, and about half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste again. Now let me just mix it up. Just make sure that there should not be clotting there, or it should be a very smooth batter. So let me just show you. I'm just going to quickly beat it up to make a smooth batter which will be a coating for our chicken wings. Can you see that? It's very smooth. There are no clottings in it and it's looking pretty nice, isn't it? I believe cooking is fun. I mean, you don't need to be very serious with the cooking. If you love cooking, then nothing is impossible for you and nothing is too tough. So as I told you, आप ये चिकन विंग्स किसी भी तरीके बना सकते हैं. आप इसको डीप फ्राई कर सकते हैं, आप इसको बेक कर सकते हैं, आप इसको शैलो फ्राई कर सकते हैं. You can do it as you want. जैसे कई लोग ज़्यादा डाइट कॉन्शियस होते हैं तो वो इसको बेक करके खा सकते हैं. But I love to keep the flavor as it is, जैसे कि ओरिजिनली बनाई जाती है डीप फ्राई करके. So I'm going to cook it that way. So all we need is chicken wings, जो कि हमने पहले मैरिनेट करके रखे हुए हैं. Along with that, the batter which we have made a little time before. So इसको क्या करना क्या है, हमें एक चिकन विंग एट द मोमेंट लेना है, इसके अंदर हमें कोट करना है and make sure कि बैटर बहुत ज़्यादा ना हो and जितना भी एक्सेस हो जस्ट उसको हिला के निकाल दीजिए एंड जस्ट पुट इट इन द ऑयल एंड मेक श्योर जो ऑयल है वो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर ऑयल बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होगा उसकी ऊपर की जो कोटिंग होगी वो अच्छे से क्रिस्प हो जाएगी बट अंदर से वो रॉ रह जाएगा. सो वी डेफिनेटली डोंट वांट दैट. सो इसीलिए हम लोग इसको एक एवरेज टेम्परेचर पे, एक मीडियम टेम्परेचर पे ऑयल को रखेंगे. सेम वे जैसे हमने पहला चिकन विंग किया है. लेट्स dip off the extra batter and let me put it in the hot oil. Be very careful while dealing with the hot oil as you can burn yourself as well. So we definitely don't want that. So let me just be very careful with it and let me put it into the oil. Let me just clear the extras. We don't need that. Let it get cooked for about, I would say, 2 to 3 minutes. एक साइड से कुक होने के लिए, then flip कर दीजिए, बाकी दूसरी साइड से भी अच्छे से क्रिस्प हो जाए. So while we are doing that, let me just start with the plating, as I believe plating is the most important thing. जब तक आपकी डिश देखने में अच्छी नहीं होगी, अपीलिंग नहीं होगी, वो और किसी को अट्रैक्ट नहीं कर पाएगी कि वो उसको खाना चाहे या टेस्ट करना चाहे. So let me start with it. All I need is a yellow bell pepper, which is easily available in the market. And make sure इसका जो extra white part होता है आप इसको remove कर दीजिए, क्योंकि plating में it doesn't look too good. Let me just quickly clean it. I'm not making the juliennes, I'm actually making a bit thick veggies than the juliennes, which I'm gonna need it for the presentation part. Along with that, keep an eye on your chicken so that it should not get bored. So, for the presentation, I'm using yellow pepper and some green pepper as well. So, let me take some green pepper. It's lovely, fresh green pepper there. इसका भी हम लोग सेम तरीके से जूलियन नहीं बनाएंगे, जूलियन से थोड़ा सा थिक रखेंगे फॉर द प्रेजेंटेशन पार्ट. Keep an eye on your chicken as well. I think एक साइड से it is nice golden and brown. So let me just flip it to the other side. Let me use the thumb for that. So here's my tool, and मुझे इसको quickly flip कर देना है to the other side. Nice and golden. It is cooking good and smelling good as well. So here we go. All right. What else should I do? Maybe just let me get some garlic as well, right? Today I'm going to teach you the best way to get the peel off garlic, right? So all you need to do is उसकी आगे की जो टिप होती है garlic की, सिर्फ उसको काटना है आपको. एक quickly smash करना है with your knife. And let's take 2 bowls and let's make a bit fun with it. So garlic को हमने इसके अंदर डाला है. I'm taking another bowl. Let's shake it. Let me see. Yes. If you can see, the skin has come off. So it's quite fun also, and it's the quickest way to peel the garlic. So let me just chop about 2 cloves of garlic for my sauce. जिंजर एज वेल। सो जिंजर को पील करने का भी एक नया तरीका मैं आपको बताती हूँ। ऑल यू नीड इज अ स्पून। स्पून से आप इसको जस्ट ऐसे रब करते जाएंगे एंड इसकी स्किन जो है वो नीटली क्लीन होती जाएगी। So look, I'm teaching you new kitchen hacks which might will help you in your kitchen. So let me just peel it with the help of a spoon. And I'm just going to cut a small piece of ginger and I'm going to make a juliennes out of it. So here we have juliennes and some garlic. Let me just keep it aside. Let's quickly check our chicken. I think it is done. It's nice and crispy and golden. Yes, it's done. Let me remove it onto a kitchen towel. So what I need is a kitchen towel so that the excess oil है वो अच्छे से निकल जाए. So here's a kitchen towel and मैं quickly इसको remove कर दूँगी यहाँ से ठीक से. Here's the chicken wings, nice and crispy and golden. So इसको अभी मैं साइड पर रखूँगी and I'll quickly make the teriyaki chicken sauce. So it's a very hot oil. Make sure आप बहुत ध्यान से इसे डील करें. Let me place it aside and let me take a new pan. So here's another pan I'm going to take. थोड़ा सा इसमें सबसे पहले हम लोग सॉस तेरियाकी चिकन सॉस बनाने जा रहे हैं जिसके लिए वी गोइंग टू पुट अबाउट 1 or 2 tablespoon of oil. That's sufficient. थोड़ा सा ऑयल जैसे गर्म हो जाएगा देन हम लोग इसके अंदर जो जुलियंस हम लोगों ने काटे हैं जिंजर के एंड सम चॉप्ड गार्लिक हम वो इसके अंदर ऐड करेंगे. सो हियर इट गोस. Let's quickly saute. Make sure garlic burn नहीं हो जाना चाहिए क्योंकि इसका टेस्ट बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं आएगा. जस्ट हमें इसको सौते करना है सो दैट उसकी जो रॉनेस है वो खत्म हो जाए. While doing this, I'm going to add some of the tomato ketchup in it, about 3 tablespoons. Some sweet chili sauce, about 2 teaspoons. Some Szechuan sauce. As per your choice, अगर आपको बहुत स्पाइसी पसंद है आप ये ज़्यादा डाल सकते हैं एंड इफ यू वांट अ बिट माइल्ड जस्ट हाफ अ टीस्पून इज सफिशिएंट. थोड़ा सा अबाउट 1 टीस्पून ऑफ सोया सॉस एंड अबाउट 1 full spoon of vinegar as well. Let me quickly mix it up. And सॉस बनाते वक्त एक चीज़ याद आ गई जो मैं ज़रूर मेंशन करना चाहूँगी कि सॉस एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि ज़रूरी नहीं है आपको बाहर से ही बाय करनी है. आप अगर अपने घर पर बनाएंगे तो इट विल टेस्ट इवन बेटर एंड आप उसका जो टेक्सचर है उसकी जो शार्पनेस है वो आप अपने हिसाब से उसको कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि मैं शेजवान सॉस के बारे में बताना चाहूँगी. This is the Szechuan sauce which I have made in my kitchen and इसकी रेसिपी शेफ रणवीर बरार का जो एक शो आता है the very famous show called Homemade मुझे वहाँ से मिली. So I'm very inspired with his recipes, his techniques, moreover his the way of looking life. अब उनका एक इंटरव्यू देख के ही आप इतना इंस्पायर हो जाते हो. उनकी डिफरेंट तरीके से शेफ कुकिंग करने की स्किल्स है आप इतना ज़्यादा सीखते हो. सो आई वॉज जस्ट अ हाउस I got an opportunity today that I'm standing in front of you. So I think it's the best way of learning and जाने अनजाने वो बहुत लोगों को इंस्पायर कर रहे हैं and हम लोग अपना एक नया बिजनेस रन करने की मूड में आ गए हैं आई वुड से. So I think हमारी सॉस भी रेडी है. So all we need to put the chicken back in it. जो चिकन हमने फ्राई किया था अब वो हमने सॉस के अंदर वापस डालेंगे and we will coat it nicely. Let me just mix it ताकि जो सॉस है वो अच्छे से इसके ऊपर कोट हो जाए. It's looking very tempting, I should say. अब हम इसकी प्लेटिंग की तैयारी कर लेते हैं. Let me just clean the area a bit. So let's do some plating, and that's the most fun part. So here's the plate I have chose. Let me take a thumb. अब मैं इसकी plating करने जा रही हूँ and I want कि आप भी इसको देखें. So what I'm going to do is, let me take chicken wing, right? And I'm going to place it like that. आप प्लेटिंग अपने तरीके से कर सकते हैं the way you want, but the motive is that it should look very tempting. So here it goes. So that's the chicken wings called teriyaki chicken wings, right? And इसके साथ let me complete the plate and then I will show it to you guys. So अभी जो मैंने जुलियंस एक काटे थे, जो जुलियंस पहले काटे थे उसको भी मैं सॉस के अंदर ऐड करने जा रही हूँ. And let me quickly mix it up so that जो जुलियंस हैं या फिर जो वेजेस मैंने काटी हैं बेल पेपर्स की, it should not taste very bland. So अभी बेल पेपर्स जो हम लोगों ने सॉस के अंदर डाले हैं उसको मैं थोड़ा सा मिक्स कर लेती हूँ so that जो सॉस है वो अच्छे से उसके ऊपर मिक्स हो जाए, कोट हो जाए. And let's complete the plating. So I'm going to take a fork and एक करके yellow and green bell peppers मैं इसके ऊपर प्लेस कर दूँगी. So the dish is almost ready. Let me just put a little bit of more sauce on it. It will look saucy, nice and juicy. I hope कि आपको ये रेसिपी पसंद आई होगी. इसका काम खत्म हो गया. So let me clean my workstation a bit and let me put some lemon veggies as well. Make sure lemon veggies जब आप रखें उसमें seeds ना हो because वो अच्छे नहीं दिखते हैं. So here go the lemon veggies. Put them aside. And I guess मुझे थोड़ा सा इसके अंदर coriander का stem ले रही हूँ मैं, उसके leaves नहीं ले रही हूँ. So इसकी stems को मैं quickly थोड़ा सा chop करूँगी. To sprinkle them on the top. I guess this one should be fine. Let me sprinkle it on the top. So here it comes. Okay, my dish is ready, called teriyaki chicken wings. And I really hope you like the recipe. As I told you before, it is a very simple recipe and you can make this recipe for your family, for your friends, for everyone you love. So I really think कि आपने भी enjoy किया